Hey Bulldogs, Charlie here from eLearning at Ferris State University, and in this video we're going to show you how to copy content from one course in Canvas to another. If you're watching this video, you're probably a current teacher or professor trying to get their new course ready for the upcoming semester. What I want to do is hop over to Canvas and show you the quickest and easiest way to grab content from a class that you already had into one you're going to teach next. Let's go over to the dashboard. Alright, now that we're here at the dashboard, we can see that our current teacher has 4 courses, 2 published, 2 unpublished. What we're going to do is we're going to click the one that we want to put content into, in this case the new or empty shell. In this case it's going to be the Art of the Unbreakable Deadline. Once you click the course, you will find that there is currently empty. There is nothing there. Step number 1, on the far right hand side, click Import Existing Content. After that, your new menu for content type, click the first option which says Copy a Canvas Course. What that says is we want to grab from a current existing course. Search for a course. If you click this first pull down menu here, you will have a list of all of your courses. Depending on how long you've taught for, it could be a pretty extensive list, so please know what course it is that you are looking for. In our case, we're going to grab from the Dogs course. Next option is, do you want to grab all the content or just select content? Now in either case, no matter what you pick here, the menu will not change. For the sake of options, I'm going to put select specific content because there's a separate menu there. If you put all content, all of the things from the course that you are selecting will be imported in. If you select this option, we'll show you some options. All right. Now, if you want to adjust the deadlines to your new schedule, you can, or you can do that manually as the course goes along. And input. It's going to go through a processing side here. Now remember, I put these select options because I want to show you next steps. If you put everything, once it completes, you'll see your change. I want to go select content. Basically what we're looking at now are all the things that we can put into our course. Maybe I didn't want everything, but I wanted select modules, assignments, quizzes, question banks. It allows me to itemize what it is that I want to bring into the course. Once you've selected all of the options that you want, you hit Select Transfer, and then it is currently being queued, which means it's getting ready to transfer in. Once it is listed as all complete, you will see the change that you need in your course. I hope that you found this video helpful in getting ready for your upcoming course. Here at eLearning at Ferris State University, we're always ready to answer your Canvas-related questions. Please feel free to email us anytime with your Canvas questions or concerns.